Hello my beautiful friends and welcome to Tailor Made Beauty by Kris. I just went to my mailbox and it was stuffed full. So we've got some serious work ahead of us. Let's start with Birchbox. Birchbox always designs a new box every month and they're super cute. I wish I had more uses for them, but I'm at the part of my life where I won't keep around a bunch of cute boxes because they're cute boxes. And getting into the packaging, it says, let's see here. Let's start with Amika Supernova Moisture Shine Cream. That will be a hair product. It's a first time sampling for Birchbox. The full size is $25. Moisture, detangle, and defrizz with this sea buckthorn oil-based leave-in hair cream. Well, I really like their dry shampoo, so I'm anxious to try something else from their line. Moving along, Love, Beauty, and Planet Coconut Water and Mimosa Flower Volume Bounty Shampoo. This is a brand that I have seen a lot at Target. And I also got the companion conditioner. Now I am really devoted to my Aveda Invati, which is really helping cut down on the amount of hair that I'm losing. So I'm not super anxious to be looking for a new shampoo and conditioner, but maybe my daughter will be interested in using that. Then from Kiehl's, the Rare Earth Deep Pore Daily Cleanser, and exfoliates and detoxifies. It's made with exotic Brazilian clay from the mouth of the Amazon. This exfoliating cleanser removes dirt and toxins without drying your skin. We'll see about that. I do have a daily exfoliator that's very gentle that I really like, but I trust Kiehl's, so we'll see. And last but not least is a liquid shimmer eyeshadow from Lock. I have not heard of this brand before. That looks like a pretty color. Oh. As I get it really seriously all over myself. That's pretty. I'll be anxious to put together a look with that. Let's move on. For Ipsy, I apparently am getting both the regular Ipsy and the supersized one. So let's start with the little one. Ipsy always sends their stuff in a zip pouch. This is super cute with Betty Boop and then black sequins on the back. That's one I wouldn't mind having in my purse. And start off on top with a makeup brush from Crown. This is not a brand I am familiar with. I don't tend to be a big fan of double-ended brushes. You know, some people like them for travel because it cuts down on how much you have to bring. I've just decided that I am one of those travelers. I bring everything. Doesn't matter if it's a weekend or a week. I pack it all. So, yeah, I'm not... this end is super stiff. This is a little big for use on my smaller eyes. I think that one will just go in the bag to the GW, which is the Goodwill. Next is from a brand called Aphrodite. This is olive oil face mask, deep cleaning for all skin types. I'm always willing to try a new skin mask. Moving on, from Belief, this is their Aqua Bomb. I have had a sample of this before. I just tossed it in with my travel stuff because this is a good size for traveling. And even though I said I'd take everything, sometimes I dip into that. Here is, I don't even know how to start to pronounce that. what is the Lenny Loose Eyeshadow in Byron Bay. Ooh, and you can kind of see in the packaging it looks very shimmery. I'm not going to open this. I feel like if I open this, it's just going to go everywhere. So it's probably best to open it over the sink, but that looks like it could be a really pretty color. And then lastly in here, mascara. Oh, Betty Boop. So that makes sense now with the bag. And Betty Boop Ipsy Blink and Wink Mascara. Introducing limited edition collection in partnership with iconic beauty muse Betty Boop. All right, so I don't know if it's, does Betty Boop have a makeup brand? I have no idea, but okay, a little mascara. Let's move on to the box. So as I said, this is my first month with this Ipsy upsized box, and it reminds me a bit of the BoxyCharm, the regular monthly size boxes. So that Betty Boop is apparently a thing. So here is something, You're a Peach All Dolled Up Heartbreaker. It's a blush palette. That's the packaging. That's kind of cute. And there are the colors. Oh, I like those colors. Let's do a quick swatch on those. Oh, the formula feels nice. Okay. Those look like nice colors. That must be a highlight and two blushes. There, I've gotten them a little darker. Those look like nice colors. Moving on is Perlice Blue Lotus Brightening Serum. I am a little loath to introduce new things into my skincare routine. I've got a routine that I really like. Let's see if it tells us what ingredients are in here. And that will let me know if I can sub it out when I run out of something. The information sheet says, bring on the glow. This antioxidant-rich, lightweight serum uses a powerhouse of 9 plant extracts to nurture, brighten, hydrate, and repair your skin. Okay, that doesn't tell me much about it. On the box it says it's got water and then a whole bunch of stuff that I don't really recognize. So that will take some research on my part to see whether that fits into my skincare routine. Moving on, Trestique. Looks like a little fat crayon all over Starlighter powder stick in a color called Ultraviolet. One thing I will say, okay, that's what this looks like, and I bet it's supposed to be a, oh yeah, you can see it, I can see it. I don't know if it's showing up on camera, it's kind of holographic. That will be going away. I don't need that. I was gonna say on both Poshmark and Mercari, M-E-R-C-A-R-I, those apps, after these boxes drop, you can find a ton of stuff for sale on there. So if it's something that you've liked, I got some IGK hair balm called Mistress. I loved it. It retails for $25. I hopped on those apps. I got a full-size tube for $11. And a lot of people were selling theirs because a lot of us, if we don't like it, we just try to turn around and sell it. This is something from Jules Smith Beauty. Looks like 2 lip glosses. Namaste All Day and Serene Queen. All right. Those look a little light. Maybe they're meant to be toppers. Let's see here. This is Serene Queen, which looks a little pink. Yeah, that's very sheer. So that is, that would be a topper for me. And then Namaste All Day. That has a little more color to it. I might be able to use that one on its own. I'm always up for lip glosses. I'm a sucker for lip products, so. All right, and Beautiful You Farah, which is initialism, F-A-R-A-H, brushes Midnight Pro Trio. I don't know if that means like you're a pro at putting on your makeup at midnight. What makes it a midnight pro? That seems weird. But these all look like face brushes. What does it say? They're vegan, they're cruelty free. There is a, what do they say? Aha. This is a straight brush. Oh, okay. I see why they called it Midnight. They're black, and then there's a little bit of blue up on the tip. I don't know if that's showing up. I have no idea what I would use this brush for. It actually feels like a paintbrush, like you would paint your walls. I don't like the feel of these brushes. They feel very synthetic, and not in a good way. A stippling brush, and last but not least, it says Cheeky End. I have some blushes that I don't want to pick up a ton, like the Nasha. I have some blushes where I don't want to pick up a lot of product. I'm thinking like the Natasha Denona Bloom, that red. I love just a sheer wash of that. So the slipperiness of this brush might be good for applying that, but okay, not impressed with that. And last but not least is a larger Betty Boop bag with the black sequins on the back. I think the other one is a lot cuter. So for my first big Ipsy box, yeah, I'm not really impressed. I'll use some of it. I will get rid of some of it. So for the big haul for all three, it really hasn't changed my opinion of subscription boxes. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me, and have a really fantastic day.